This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. This is issue 12 of Building Robocop from D'Agostini and Fanhome. Looking at designing Robocop. First part of this is obviously going to be quite a lot about designing him. Interesting stuff. The Iron Maiden. I don't know exactly what that was all about, but there we go. So yes, this is finishing off the right arm, the right shoulder joint. We're putting the surrounding pieces on and holding it in place with 4 screws. Getting there. It's good. I like it. So Electro and Sparko. Some sort of stage show thing. Airless tires. What's this got to do with robots? Don't know. Cutting edge technology. Well, yeah, sort of, maybe. There we go. Disadvantages and obviously some advantages as well. There we go. That's that. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this arm finished. So here we have the arm from last time and the parts from this time. They are plastic, but it's not a problem. So we've got, first of all, our little decorative piece to put in the middle there. This has to go in the centre there. It's obviously got one flat side and actually quite nicely shaped as well. It's got a taper to it, so you can easily get it lined up and popped in place in the middle there. There's easily not being able to do it easily at all. There we go. That's like that, and that goes in there. Cool. Then we've got these 2 side panels that pop in there. 2 screws hold each in place. So 4 screws in total. We'll do that. Did I get 5 out? I did. An extra one jumps out. So there is one spare for future use, possibly, probably not, but it's always nice to have them just in case. So these screws will go in there, one there. Put the other one in the other side to hold that one in place as well. And then one at the top on each side. Nice and easy. If you're enjoying the build, you might enjoy other builds that I'm doing as well. Pop along to the channel. You'll be able to see all the other part works that I'm doing and have done previously. They're all in their own playlists, so they're nice and easy. You can start playing one and let it play on until it's finished. So hopefully you're enjoying that. If you are, make sure you subscribe and come along and join in. Leave a comment. Let me know what's going on. And I shall see you for more very soon. Once I get these tightened up, I might as well do them all while I'm here. And then the arm will be put aside, because that is it, probably until we attach it to the body when the body's finished. So there we go. That is that. All done and dusted. Finished up and nicely assembled. It's coming together nicely. It's quite a big shoulder piece. It's got obviously big arms. So there we have that. Their arm is now completed. All the articulated fingers, movable wrist, and slightly movable sort of elbowy area. Or the elbow obviously moved properly as well. Just quite tight, which is good. So that is that. An arm completed. I'll put that aside. And next time we're starting on the other foot. It feels like it's all coming together. It's only 12 issues in, but it feels like we've got quite a bit done. So thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you for more very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.